My twin sister, 18F, and I, 18F, took a genetic test, and we did not share any DNA at all. What should my next step be, when no one in the family is telling me why? What do I even do? So, my twin and I are fraternal twins. Recently, we took a genetic test for fun, because we wanted to see what we shared and the differences between us. Since we still share genes, fraternal twins are like siblings genetically. My grandparents had suggested the tests and got them for us, so our parents didn't know about it. But our results made no sense. My twins was coming up almost completely as Eastern European and Western European. Which makes sense, as most of my family are Croatian, German, or Austrian. So all of that would be accurate. But mine wasn't anything like that. It was almost completely Scandinavian, with some Russian and a couple of other places. Neither of which were on my twin's result. She had a very small percentage of Scandinavian, but that was it. And we had no matched DNA. Which clearly seemed impossible. We were literally twins, we had to share DNA. Well, my twin said they must have mixed my sample up with someone else. We ended up contacting the company, and my twin and I took a test again. It was the same result.